I want to do something big, and God has put something on my heart that is bigger than me, bigger than I could imagine, and bigger than anything that I could come up with myself. I know that some of you guys have wanted to hear more about my Africa story and what I've done over there, or what God has done over there, and man, there are like so many stories that I just want to share with you guys. But the last trip that I went on was really intense, and it's taken me a while to process what God is trying to do through me with this. And it's too intense for me just to throw a video up on YouTube and forget about it. I want to do something big, and God has put something on my heart that is bigger than me, bigger than I could imagine, and bigger than anything that I could come up with myself. So I've created this art piece that I want you guys to help me finish. This art piece represents 2,000 people that I need to complete this mission. 2,000 people at $5 a month to give to an organization that I know firsthand is making an extreme difference in Africa. I'm encouraging you guys to join my new patron page, a completely different patron than my business patron. This is a patron where your $5 a month will go towards somebody else and not me, the children of Africa. You will be a part of a community, and you will get to see videos, and I will share stories, and you'll hear a lot more of my raw story and different stories from other people who've gone to Africa with me and things like that. So this is a mission that I need your help completing. I've created a piece of art that is going to remain blank until this mission is completed. This piece of art is handmade by me, yet it can't be finished until you guys choose to help me finish it. I'm gonna put my thumbprint in gray 2,000 times on this piece of art, and what I need is somebody to fill in every single thumbprint with a flower. Once this piece of art is completed, I want to share it with you guys. I want you guys to see it, and I want you to know that when it's completed, what that means is our mission has been fulfilled, to bring 50 new children in every single month to help them with nutrition, medication, schooling, and a livelihood that they would never be able to see otherwise. $5 a month could change 50 children every single month, adding on to the number of children that Christ Hope International is changing their future. So I don't want this to be a depressing story. I don't want this to be something that I'm guilting anybody into. I want you guys to come alongside me in a joy that I have found, in a story that I have found that is like no other. I have walked alongside the people of Africa. I have befriended so many people in Africa, and I have 125 children that the church that I go to partners with and loves and sponsors, and I know their stories, I know their families, I know their issues and the things that they're struggling with, but the most important thing I know is that they are going to get to live and have an abundant life here on earth for their minimal time that they are here, because I can help them and I can make a difference. And I'd love for you to be one of those. I'd love for you to join me over on the Patreon page and help me complete this piece of art. I'll be sharing photos and videos of it as it keeps going, and as more and more people sign up, I will add flowers to it, and my goal is to complete this mission and move on to the next one as soon as we can. This is none of it is going to me at all. You guys have been so amazing to bless me on my actual Patreon page, and that is business, but this Patreon page is 100% separate, 100% going to Christ Hope International. So I'd love to have you be a part of it. I'd love to have you hear any of my story, and I'd also love to have anybody who's interested in going over to Africa reach out. This is something that anybody can do. Anybody who has the call to go can go, and I'd love to have anybody who is interested in that. So check out the page. I love you guys. Let's finish this art piece together, and I'm just really excited to see what God is going to do through this. So I love you guys.